Good day. My name is Emmanuel and I'm working on programming in Python. Welcome. So, in this lesson, we'll be exploring about Python and how the language is the first language I would say you should learn if you want to learn how to program because of the reliability and adaptability. And it's the fact that it's so used across various stages and the rest is why you should learn Python first and foremost in your course of programming journey. So chapter 1, we'll be talking about values and data types, Python interpreter, expressions and types, and the print function in this chapter 1. So the Python interpreter is what basically interprets our code which we write there. So that's to say it takes what we write down in our code and interprets it, all the functions, all the methods and everything. The Python interpreter is what interprets it. It does the work in the background and interprets the code in the output window there. So expressions and types. So in notebook we use expressions, and these expressions they have a value and a type also, as I said here. So these integers, they are whole numbers. Like integers are data types and integers they are all data types. So integers are whole numbers, those are decimal numbers and string are symbols of characters like you see. They are placed inside the question mark. This basically shows us that this is a string here. So yeah. And this is an example. This is an example of values. And values and expressions can be different. An expression is a piece of code that produces a value. When evaluated, why the value is the actual result produced by the expression. So as I was saying here, these two are values, but these two are expressions. So when we join them together, we get a new value of 6. This will show here. We get a new value of 6. So we can add the value. This is an expression of 2 that has the value of 2. The expression of 4 that has the value of 4. So when we print that, we get 6, which is a new value. Using that additional operator, we'll get to that one soon. So the print function, I also said that one is what does the printing there. The print function is what we use to display our output in this output window. So we use the print function to display codes in this output window. So the print function is to display the output value, the bulk code that gets feedback of programs. So we use print function to do those things. So not getting the confusion part. So chapter 2, operators and operands. So we've covered operators and operands. So we covered basic expressions like 100 and hello world, where the value matches the expression. So we're going to be doing these expressions can be combined to form more complex forms using operators. Operands are the value which the operators perform upon, and operators are the symbols which we use to perform these operations. So this means that we have an example here of how the operators and various operators which are used in Python. So this is an addition operator. Denoted using the plus symbol, which is used to add two values or the value of two data types together. As you can see here, 100 plus 1, they will fit that get 100 here in the output window. Why is the subtraction operator used to subtract the values from minus 30? Use to subtract the values from a square to make sure that those is the bulk of expressions. Why this one is the multiplication operator? It used to multiply the values of 2 or more data values together and the rest. This is the division operator. The division operator used to divide the expressions of 2 values together. When executing code, Python follows the standard mathematical order of operations. Parentheses have the highest precedence, followed by exponentiation, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, as you can see here. When we want to, if we should do it simply like this, Python will first of all divide 20 by 2 and add it together, which will get 20. Because we are trying to get the average of 10 and 20, which is supposed to be 15. But if we don't write it like this, we just write it like this, Python will divide this one and then add it together, which is not supposed to be so. How do we do that? We have to arrange it using parentheses, not that parentheses, as you can see here. When we write our code like this, Python will first do it first inside the bracket before it is brought outside the bracket, which will then be able to get the average of 20 and then which is 2. So yeah, that is the precedence in Python. So chapter 3 we talk of data type. So there are data types. We have 3 major data types: integer, strings, and floats. Yeah, integer, strings, and floats. Integers are your whole numbers or real numbers. While this one have points or floating points. Yeah, points are floats. All these are what also called floats. This point number because they have decimal points. In the white strings are basically your data that are in this position marks here. Yeah, they are used to represent strings. Yeah. So this is a class function. Yeah. If you are when you sorry, this is a type function. It's used to tell us what the type is in our code. So let me see your code and you come across a figure that you don't understand. You call it type function and it tells you what that type these things are. You can see here. This one tells you that this is a string. So this is an integer. So this is a float. Mind you, if you don't call it a type function, it simply prints what you put inside the print function parentheses. As you can see here, I don't call it type function for this kind of code and I get hello world instead of getting the data type of that expression. Yes. So chapter 4 we talk of variables. Variables stores values and it will automatically assign their type to store value. So what I will use what this means is that variable stores value. For example, I have a value of 10 and we don't want to always put in 10. What we do is simply assign this value 10 to this variable x. Now this x is not just any other, this x now has the value of 10. So whenever we call x now, with x simply means value, means the value 10. But you can see here, and it's not only integer you can store to variable. You can store strings and floats to variable. So when you take this variable name, you simply get the value which was stored in there, 10 done and this floating point over 19.89. So in naming our variables, we have followed some few guidelines. So in naming variable, we start with a letter or underscore. Yeah, we do not start with numbers when naming variables. You can add numbers to the variable only after an underscore or a letter. You don't have to start with numbers. If not, the thing will no longer be a variable to Python anymore. And Python in this sense is in the sense that a variable name with x, y, z, all caps is different from the one that has this variable name that only x with capital letter and the rest are small letters. So these are various different variable names in Python because Python is case sensitive. We classifies these two as different variable names because of the uppercase and the rest. So just as variables can be assigned to values can be assigned to variables, they can be updated as we continue to write line of code. So yeah, the assignment function, that's what operating variables is going to talk about. So in assigning variables and values to variables, we use the assignment operator, this equal to sign here, to assign values to our variable. So you can see here, this 2000. We are to assign to a variable x, we use the equal to sign to assign that value equal to x. Even strings also we use equal to. Yeah, strings can also be assigned to a variable as well. So this is what this part is talking about using the assignment operator, which is equal to. So reassignment is the process of changing a variable value. Yeah, a common type of reassignment is an update where the new value depends on the old one. Yeah. So looking at this code here, this diagram here, it shows that x is equal to 2000, then 20,000, sorry, 20,000. So later on in our code, they were told to add, probably they were told to add 10,000 to this value of x. So what do? We simply add 10,000, I wrote this one just for, I would have written X plus 1,000, just leave it like this. Just for clarity, see, everybody to be clear. So this is what we call updating variable, because we're updating this value of X. X was 2,000 initially, but now we're updating it with 10,000. So when we print X the first time, we get 2,000. But this time we added 10,000, we get 30,000. So this is what we call an updating item. We updated the value of the variable X. Also, we can also update variables that contain strings too in programming. Like you can see here, this variable greetings contain the value I. So later on we updated it by adding this other string here. The one we get I got I there. This is the value of this greetings after the update. Or this is the initial value of this variable greetings. Increments also have the updates. We can also increase value that is added to variables using what we call increments. So as you can see here, there are also some various forms of increasing the value stored in your variable. So here x is equal to 6. So when we put that, we get a increment. So this time we want to add value of t to this variable x. I would have written x is equal to x plus 3 or x is equal to 6 plus 3. But in Python, it has special centers like this to increase the value of a variable and this to decrease the value of a variable. So when I do x plus equals 3, it simply means x is equal to 6 plus 3 or x plus 3, which should give me 9 here. And this also means decrement, like subtracting from number, like x minus 1. So this is what this x minus equals mean. So when we do x minus 1, x is not equal to that because of this decrement sign there. So we're going to talk about hard coding. Hard coding refers to the process or the practice of writing code with fixed unchangeable values or rules. So look at this say that on say that on this extreme. So this variable here x contains the value of 10 and this variable y contains the value of 20. So when we print the total, I prepare to get the total, right? Yeah, we're trying to get the total of these two. So normally to get the total, I would have just written the total equals to x plus y, but because I want to calculate, I just simply use my calculator and press 10 plus 20 and I got 30. And I assign that value 30 to this variable total. So when I print total, I get 30. Which may seem right, but when the values of this x and y change, there will be an issue. So as you can see the x was 110, x was now 15. So and this total here is still has coded to the value 30. So when I see print 30, I get the total, I get 30, which is wrong. So in order for me to fix this, I have to create my own code that will be able to tell me the actual value of x plus y, whether x changes or whether y changes. I'll still get the correct answer. So what do? I just click and then made the process total equals to x plus y. So this simply means the value of x plus the value of y. And when I print total, I get my answer to 45, which is correct. So chapter 7, input. Yeah. The input function allows you to provide input to the program using execution. So this input is when you are coding, you used to get input from the user while coding during execution. Sorry. So how does this input function behave? It waits for the user to enter text, and all the user's input, whether be it integer or strings or float, and as long as it enters this input function, it is classified as a string. So yeah, even if you enter a number there, Python will convert that number to a string. So the program pauses until the user presses enter. The thing will not proceed from here unless the user enter his input and so press enter. The thing will not progress from here. So this is an example. So I have a variable here, name, and I call the input function enter the name. So when I press save and run, a pop-up appears and I enter my name. So when I enter my name, I press OK. The then I get this message, hello Emmanuel. This is going to be printed because this print, the input function uses my input for running some codes, and I want my, and I'm going to code that to make this input function use my input to say hello Emmanuel. So this is what I got here. Hello Emmanuel using the input function. So as I said that before, the input function enter the string even if the number is entered. So if you really want to deal with the number when using the input function, you have to convert it to a number using the int function. Using the int function. So this variable here, age, I call the int function to convert this age, number, this age, because number 24 is not just integer, I can only see int function. Is a string. So, and I want to do this string here because this kind of code is going to tell me the year which the person was born. So if I enter the age 54, I get 2000. So how do I deal with that? I have to convert this input to an integer this function here so that this kind of code will work without errors. So yeah, you have to call the int function to convert your inputs to integers. So chapter 8. This way of the programmer. So this covers going on having strategies. We focus on debugging and also learn how to identify syntax errors, runtime errors, semantic errors, and interpret error messages and the rest. Number 1, syntax errors. These are errors in the structure of the code because of incorrect language, parentheses, semicolons, and breaks. So as you can see here, I want to write the code that will print hello world, but I forgot to add this second quotation mark. So when I run it, I'll get an error. So this is the typical example of syntax error because of missing parentheses of braces and the rest. So that's what we call syntax error. So to fix this, we have to just simply add these parentheses, braces to the end of this after this exclamation mark, so that the code will not get and we'll get hello world printed there in our output window. So number 2, runtime errors. These are errors that occur while the program is running because of invalid operators or resource limitations, which is division by 0 and the rest. So this is an example of runtime error. This kind of code here will give us the runtime error normally because this is an undefined expression in mathematics. The more we run into Python, you get a runtime error. Yeah, semantic errors. These are logic errors where the code runs but does not do what the programmer intended it to do because of incorrect logic or understanding the problem. So as you can see here, this is total equals to 0 for I in the range 1,5, total is equal to I. So this is the semantic error because the way I type it is the logic is incorrect because I wanted it to be expected some is spent, but the application logic is wrong. So this produces a semantic error. Yeah, this is a semantic error because of what I typed it here. So we will not do what I wanted it to do. So solution to this is just to debug the code, review the logic and ensure that we get the intended outcome for semantic errors. So module 2, we have sequences in Python. Sequence is another collection of elements. Sequence can hold multiple items of the same or different types. So there are 3 main examples of sequences. We have strings, lists, and tuples. So strings is an example of a sequence. Like this, for example, I'm a string. This is an example of a sequence in Python. And we have lists. List, this is also an example of sequence, and it's a kind of data type. Lists are created using square brackets. So now you see this in Python, like this is the list, and the items in the list are separated using commas. Tuples on the other hand is like this, but tuple is slightly different. Tuple is can use normal brackets, not square brackets, normal brackets to store items in it. So yeah, tuples. The index operator. The index operator is used to access individual elements of a sequence, such as these tuples of strings. It allows you to retrieve elements by their position in the sequence. So, for example, now we want to access a character by using the index function. What do we do? So, I want to access I have a string here, and I want to write a code that will print this first letter here, H. And so what do we do? I have to call it this index so that I can be able to print this first letter here. So when I write print my string, then put this square brackets and put in the index of this page to 0. I get H printed in there. The same thing for this code here, which is the index of 4. So when I do that, I get it printed here. So what do I use the index to basically do that? And it can also be used to index can also be used for a list as well to print the. So this one here is to print the first item in the list, which gives me 10 because they have an index of 0. Why this index of 2 prints this one here, this item? This item here is used to print it. This index function in the list basically. So cool. Yeah, basically just like this as well. Use the index function to process items, to print a specific item in a tuple. So I want to print 200, so I have to put in this figure here, this index of 200, which is 1. And when I do that, this item gets 200 gets printed now using this index in Python. So count method. The count method is Python is used to count the number of items in a list or string or tuple as it appears. So I use this count method there to count how many 2s are in this list, and when I do that, I get 4 because they are actually this is that 2 appears 4 times in this list. So we use the count method to determine that. And the index method is used to return it's used to return the index of the first occurrence to a specific value. So this here this index function is used to return the index of this item here, which is number 1, which is index 1 in my list here in my example. So the difference between the two is that count returns the number of times a value appears, while index returns the position of the first occurrence of that value in the string, or in the string list or tuple. Yeah. So use the count is used to determine the frequency of the value, while index is used to find the position of the first occurrence of a value